are 2 days after Christmas on Randy's boat. Hey, Randy.
Hey, Arnold.
And our guest?
John McClary.
There we go. Hey, John.
Hello.
Well, it's above, what's it, 34 degrees right now? Jeez, it's good. I tell you, it's pretty balmy out here. It's very nice.
We got the skunk out of the boat.
Yep. We're
Nice little laker.
ready to go for the second one. We've been set up for about 10 minutes. Well, let's see what we got here. We got, what kind of soup is this, Randy?
This is chicken zoodle with zucchini noodles.
Nice. Yeah, there's some bread here and some shrimp cocktail, and John's eating his soup over there.